Hello, I am Jack Gidding, and today I want to be going over my cute little fishing game for Unity. This is going to be show off the whole thing I've been working on for the past few weeks. Anyway, I want to establish something. A while back, I showed off the video to the whole class, and it didn't have any structure, it didn't have any presentation, so I want to get like three things I wanted to do for this project into what we see right now. The first thing was make a fishing template, of course, and the second, the big one, was to make the fishing minigame from Stardew Valley. And the third one was make different types of fish. I'm not sure it honestly it's honestly, I'm not sure if I got those mixed type of fish into here, but what I do have is a working demo right here showing off the fishing. Okay, okay, and yeah, yeah, you have the rewinded. Oh, okay, it works. Yes, 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 yes. Come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I got a fish. Yes. All right. Okay, okay. One and two are working. I repeat. Number one and two on the list are working. Okay, okay. Let's do it again. Yes. Okay, it's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. Yes. Two fish. Two fish. Okay. 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 Hmm. Okay. Honestly, I'm not sure if I should fish for another or just to continue. You know what? Let's just continue. This is taking a bit. Okay. All right. Now it's time to show off the important code of the project right here. First, we got the fish. Very simple, but it feels like if you remove this, it breaks the entire game. So, fish, important file. On topic of important files, the fishing system. Ooh, oh boy. This is a beefy file right here. This contains it's basically the hub for everything that has to do with this project. It has bits about the fishing rod, it has fish, it has the fishing minigame, there is so much that there's like that has to be shortened just so everything can be showed off in this nice, neat package. And here is the fishing rod. This it basically most of the code that has to do with the rod itself is basically stationed here. It says it's basically a lot of this code is basically on the function. And finally, here we have the fishing minigame itself. You can see there's a lot of green and yellow because I did a lot of modifications to the code to try and make this work. It wasn't easy trying to push this onto the project. There's also the fish trigger, which uh, which helps trigger the minigame itself. And that's basically the code I wanted to show off. Now, let's go over what we did right. So we did get the template working, and the Stardew fishing minigame is fully working, which is an absolute success. Because I'm just glad that it's working in the first place. There's also models for the fish, and we actually have that meter that can cast out further, which was planned for if I had to work on the project for the future, but I want to talk about that later. Right now, I want to talk about something that I want to get off my chest, and that is the issues that I had with this project. And uh, honestly, to put it briefly, this project was originally hosted on Unreal, but it used C++. But unfortunately, Unfortunately, my folder didn't really like C++ and got it corrupted immediately. So honestly, I tried opening it for days, and then I just thought I'm just gonna redo this in Unity, which was risky and it was easier said than done. But honestly, I just pushed through, and honestly, I'm just so proud that I actually got it working in this amount of time. Honestly, like the third feature, like implementation of fish variety, I wish I honestly did that, but I'm just glad that I just have the production of like after the production of everything. I'm just glad I have the fishing minigame and the Stardew fishing minigame is working perfectly. The visuals are not that good, but honestly, it's supposed to be like basically show off a rough draft of what you can do with it and save the polish for like a later date. And what I mean later date is like spoilers. I'm actually doing the like for a future project. But first, I want to talk about the learnings I did for this learnings for this project. So here's the thing. I if you're honestly, if you want to do a project like this, uh, it ask yourself, do you know enough about doing this? And if you don't, do you have like people who know what they're doing or the resources that can help you do this? Like, can you power through this even though it seems difficult? Because this is the type of stuff I was dealing with for for most of the time I was working on the project. Honestly, I've also learned how to do Unity in that time, and it's definitely been an experience. I mean, it's it learning anything is probably tough, and especially switching from Unreal, which I've been working on for like all of my life in game development to Unity was a tough decision, but honestly, I got to work, and I'm just glad it's it's been it's been good. I do like I said, there's some stuff missing, but I want to implement that into a future project. And that's been my project 2, the Stardew Valley fishing minigame for Unity.